Tonight we're making one of Amy's favorite drinks, the lemon martini. So for the lemon martini, we've got a few different ingredients. We're starting with Tito's vodka, but any vodka will do. Amy likes Tito's. Cheap peach schnapps, but you can use expensive if you like. Caravalo limoncello. The limoncello is more for color, but it really does add a nice touch. Organic lemonade. We're gonna start with our vodka. We've washed our hands vigorously, so it's okay if I do this. I've got a shaker filled with ice, and I'm gonna count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's a long 6, but I like to make a strong drink. Done that. Now we're gonna take this peach schnapps and we're gonna count to 3. So I'm gonna do my 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. And the limoncello is about a 3 as well. So, same dealio. 1, 2, 3. Last but not least, our lemonade. Give it a shake and put plenty of lemonade in there. And then the most important and often overlooked ingredient is fresh lemons. I cut some lemons up earlier, so I'm gonna take this lemon and squeeze it in there really good. And I know the lemonade bottle's in front blocking the view, but that's okay. I can move it and get the other one in here. Squeeze it really good. The fresh fruit is absolutely the key. I mean, people overlook fresh fruit, but I'm telling you, I did this for years and years. Fresh fruit is key. Wash my hands a little bit. Boom, that's done. Next, top on. There's gonna be a little bit of spillage, but that's okay. Do the shaky, shaky dance. Dancing everywhere. See the dancing, see the moves. Do the spin, a little more shake. The question is, how long do you shake? And the answer is, I shake until my hands are cold and I can't take it anymore. I'm cutting it short just for this. We've done that. Strainer on top. We need our nice glass, which we have right here. And I pour. You're gonna get a little bit of spillage, that's okay. Almost to the top, because martinis spill when you pass them around. Now the last part is the twist. So what I've done here is I've taken a lemon and cut it. And then you basically cut the lemon part out. Just leave the rind. And this is why a twist is a twist. You go like this around the rim if you like, or if not, just sort of, you just kind of twisted it around like this. And then you just drop it in. Voila! You have your 4th of July lemon martini.